If you want to highlight promotions, improve visibility, and guide your customers while they browse, Flash Announcement Bar is a simple way to add customizable announcement bars to your Shopify store, with no coding required. In this video, I'll walk you through how to get started and create your first announcement bar. Once the app is installed, you'll land on the main dashboard. Here, you'll see a setup guide that helps you go through everything step by step, especially if this is your first time using the app. To begin, click the first step, Create Announcement. This is where you'll set up your message and control how it appears on your store. First, give your announcement a name. After that, you'll have the option to start with a template. There are over 30 templates available, each with different messages, buttons, and styles. When you click on a template, you'll immediately see it appear in the preview on the right. This makes it easier to understand how your announcement will look before you publish it. If you prefer to design your own, you can simply scroll down and start from scratch. Next, add your announcement text. This will be the main message your visitors see. For this example, since we're placing the bar on product pages, you can add something like a discount for a minimum purchase. Just make sure that the discount is already created in your Shopify discount section so it works properly when customers try to use it. Now, you can add a call to action. This helps guide your customers to take the next step. You have several options. You can link to a page, let customers call your phone number, send a message through email or WhatsApp, copy a discount code, or even make the entire bar clickable. For this example, we'll use a copyable discount code so customers can easily apply it at checkout. If you want to make your bar more dynamic, you can enable running text. This works like a marquee where your message scrolls across the bar. You can choose between horizontal or vertical movement, adjust the speed, and add multiple lines if you have more than one message. This is useful when you want to show multiple announcements without making the bar too long. You can also add a countdown timer if your promotion is time sensitive. This is especially helpful for limited time offers since it creates urgency and encourages customers to act faster. Next, move to the display rules section. This is where you decide where your announcement bar will appear. For example, you can choose product pages. You can leave it empty to apply it to all products or select specific ones if you want more control. Then, choose where the bar should appear on the page. You can place it at the top or bottom, and depending on your theme, you may also be able to place it below the header. If you expand advanced settings, you'll see more options. You can schedule when the bar appears, choose whether it shows on mobile or desktop, enable a close button, and make the bar sticky so it stays visible while customers scroll. These settings help you fine-tune how the announcement behaves on your store. After that, go to the Design tab. This is where you customize how everything looks. You can choose a solid color or gradient background, adjust button colors and sizes, change text colors and fonts, customize countdown and discount colors, and adjust the shape of the bar. This helps your announcement match your store's branding so it feels natural and consistent. Once everything looks the way you want, click Publish. To make sure the bar appears on your store, you can go back to the Setup Guide and click Open Theme Editor, or click the button up here. This will take you to the Themes section. Once here, click Edit Theme. From the Theme Editor, go to App Embeds and enable the announcement bar. Click Save, and go back to the app, publish the announcement, then preview your store to make sure everything looks right. And that's it. In just a few minutes, you can create a fully customized announcement bar that highlights your promotions and guides your customers.